Well, how you doing? Robin here, and today we are talking about the Uno Casa. This is a tortilla press. It's really nice. It's all cast iron. It's 8 inches in diameter. Very easy to use. You lay it down, you bring it over. You're all set. You can also crush anything you want. If you need to squeeze down, flatten any other type of, nuts or cherries or anything like that, or you need to flatten something out, this is going to do the job for you. Very easy. Today, though, we are going to do some flour tortilla, just like you see here. Now, 8 inches, if you go for about 50 grams, you're going to make a nice 7 to 8 inch actual tortilla. Very simple. We're going to take ourselves one ball of dough, just like that, and we're going to place that right in the middle, just like that. We're going to put a sheet of parchment. Now remember, there was 50 sheets included, but you can easily take your own parchment, just cut it in half, and you're all set. You only need a sheet per once you actually get going. That lays right on top. You just grab the handle, bring it over, give it a push down. You don't have to go crazy because it's going to flatten itself out. Now you can decide and make this as round or as flat as you want. Here we do like to turn it around and give it an even squeeze on both sides to make it even. Again, you don't have to push hard. That's it. That's all you really have to do. No more force than that. The machine does the rest. That's why it's a tortilla press. And of course, cast iron, so you're not going to get any flex out of it. It's really going to just push down and do its job. There you go. That's it. We're going to move these out of the way here. We're going to lift this lid, come over here. Let's peel this off, take a look, see at what we got. There we are, there's our first one. So let's do that again. And again, if you need them to be a little smaller, you can go a little smaller. If you need them, this again, 8 inches. Simple as can be. This is the great, you cook with this, awesome. And there's nothing like fresh. Nothing beats fresh. This is so simple, it adds no time to your cooking day. If you're using this, if you're gonna have a taco night or anything else, this is gonna be perfect. Now look at this, no force at all, just coming down on it. There you go. Even out, spin it around. This way we end up with a nice flat, smooth surface. It's gonna be consistent this way, not thick at one end and thin at the other. This is gonna be nice and perfect, just like that. See that? There you go. Requires no additional effort than that. And again, stack them up, get them all ready, and when you're all done, you can get like 3 of these into your frying pan at the same time. It only takes about a minute to cook each one, a minute 2. And then you end up with this right here. Simple as can be. Look at that. There's the second one, all done. Now you can put a lot of effort into it, or you can make it as easy as this. Look at that. There we go. Let's do it again. Again, this ball is 50 grams, so that makes it very consistent. And once you do a few of them, you'll actually get really good at just, grabbing 50. You'll know how big that is. So again, look at that. Comes down almost on its own. You just push down on the handle. There you go. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. No more than that. It's very strong though. I mean, it is cast iron. It'll do the job for you. You don't have to worry about that. Now, of course, you can roll the balls more to be more consistent if you want. Or you know what? Go for that little bit of a rustic look where it looks a little off, right? So that's okay. I don't have a problem with that. There we go. There's our third one. That's how easy these are to make. There you go. It's not more complicated than that. That's it. It's as simple as can be. Machines are ready to go. Just like that when you get it out of the box. You don't have to season it or anything like that. It is good to go. To clean it, all you do is just wipe it down. You're good. Everything's all set. They even give you a spare screw in case you misplaced this one. I don't know why, but they give you a spare. Well, I hope this video helped you out a bit in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.